Welcome to my channel Living Linux. When I ordered my Orange Pi RV2 RISC-V single board computer, I didn't see a matching case for it, but now I ordered a cheap acrylic case. It was around €6 on AliExpress, and when the total order amount is above €10, then you also get free shipping. So let's start the unboxing. So that's some thorough packaging. So I ordered it with a fan. You can also order it with heat sinks. But I thought that since the chip is not using that much power, that a fan, well, that's probably sufficient in my case. Okay, so I'm going to remove the protective film, and once I have removed the protective film, then I will continue the video. So it's not very easy to remove it. I mean, I assume it does have protective film on it, or doesn't. Feels as if there is protective film, but interesting. Well, if anyone knows, here it goes. So once I've removed all the protective film, I'll continue the video. So see you after the break. Okay, so wasn't that easy to get the protective film off, but in the end I managed to do so. Well, let's start with the bottom plate. So you have to put these screws, so let's just say from underneath. One more. So let's just, okay. That's that. Then we screw in the standoffs. So perhaps that's not really visible, but there is a button, a plastic button, and I think that's the on-off switch for this one. So we prepared the bottom, so let's see. Okay, that's a tight fit. Okay. So that means that you have some space for the NVMe. And then we put in the long standoffs. Okay, so let's see with these side panels. Okay, let's see if we can make it fit. Or is it the other way around? Yeah. Okay, so that's that. And this is for the micro SD, so this one should go here, I think. So and now we need to be a little bit okay, so hopefully that is the correct way to put it in. So I put in the plastic button. Okay, so far so good. And let's see. I think it should go then like this, and then put these screws on top. So I'll pause the video just to put the fan also in, and then I'll continue after the break. So I screwed in the fan, and I'm missing just not really sure what it's called, but the thing here on the bottom, but I can live with 3 screws. There's 2 red pins and 1 black pin underneath, so align the black one with the black wire, and then the red one aligns with the red wire. You can put the antenna here, and from here we can just put in the last set of screws, and that should be it. Yep. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.